Thank you. Now we are ready for the show. We thank you for coming to see another episode of your boy, the Doordash Revolution, ladies and gentlemen. As we begin to get started on today's episode, Grubhub drivers, how to read and navigating hotspots in your market. Study these jewels for success on the Grubhub platform. Tip number one, carefully choosing your job assignments. What is that? What is a good versus bad offer? We will discuss that right now. Due to the driver's preference and demographics and decision making, ladies and gentlemen, in choosing good offers versus choosing bad offers in your decision making. You don't want to go around chasing hot spots. You want to be able to position yourself in the right location to accept better offers from customers and familiar neighborhoods that would tip well and getting repeated clientele. So that is the importance, ladies and gentlemen, of repeated clients. And you want to be able to execute great business practice, better business etiquette, quality customer experience, great professionalism, and excellent communication, ladies and gentlemen. These are the keys for success in carefully choosing your job assignments. But also, we want to go into tip number two, positioning in the right location. You want to have a faster time rate to where your timing is getting you to the pickup location faster. You're getting orders faster. You're going to the pickup location faster. And you're doing faster drop offs, seamless deliveries. And you want to be able to choose these job assignments that will position you in the right location. Now, tip number three is the reason you came to see this video in the first place. Don't chase hotspots in your region. We're going to get ready to talk about that right now on how to read and analyze your hotspots. What do I mean by flash counts for your hotspots? We're going to go ahead and we're going to show you and explain to you what the thumbnail was about that have you here today for this episode. Read and analyze Grubhub hotspots. You're going to see five squares inside that smaller square there, ladies and gentlemen. You got a bright red, then you have an orange, light orange, and an invisible orange right there. We're going to go ahead and jump into that right now, ladies and gentlemen, so you understand my technique that I use in making money on the Grubhub platform. So here it is right here, ladies and gentlemen. What I use and what I call is a 3210 index indicator. What is the 3210 index? It is an indicator, which I call an identifier of how you can identify these different hotspots, knowing and being able to read and analyze these different hotspots, these different color codes within that hotspot. So you won't be chasing hotspots, and then when you get there, the order's already gone. You want to be able to put yourself in the right position to where you're receiving offers, not being late getting to the location you're not receiving any orders. Okay, let's go ahead and proceed into this, ladies and gentlemen. Number three, which was the red square that you saw in the center. This index identifies the driver heading to the pickup location. Heading on the way to the pickup location, you have a job off, you heading to the pickup location, that screen flash. That's that first flash count. That means the job assignment has already been offered to a driver. And the driver is heading to the restaurant in that district area that hotspot is showing in their region. Now, number two, this index identifies the driver at the location, which is the pickup location, right? Driver is already there. Only thing is the driver has not confirmed they have got the order. Upon arrival, the driver got to hit they upon arrival. Okay, when they hit upon arrival, the screen flash again. The color code change saying the driver that has the assignment is now at the restaurant location. So the driver is going inside the restaurant to get ready to get the order. Or the driver may have to wait for the order. That's what that means. Indicate number two. Now we're going to number one. Your number one. This index identifies the driver confirmed the order, and the delivery is in progress, and the driver proceeds to the drop-off location, which is the lighter shade orange. All right, the driver go ahead and say, I got the order. I'm leaving the restaurant, navigating through these steps on the Grubhub app. Now hitting navigate, which means now the Grubhub driver application shows a map of where my drop-off destination is, and now I'm heading to that drop-off location. That screen will flash again, and then that color will change to a lighter shade orange. Number 0. This index identifies the driver arrival at the drop-off location, which means that the delivery completion process or the delivery completion steps begin. Once the driver arrives at the drop-off location, and as soon as the driver hit arrival, the screen flashes again. All right. And then that color code changed to a faded shade orange, which means it's almost invisible and is getting ready to disappear because the driver is now going through the completion process in completing that delivery. Then once the driver hit complete, that shade disappear, just like the other shades will start disappearing. The next one start disappearing. The next one start disappearing till there's no hotspot in that area anymore until there are more orders in that particular hotspot, ladies and gentlemen. Being able to use these tools and techniques will help you be able to choose carefully better job assignments, positioning yourself in the right location. You won't have to worry about chasing hotspots using this indicator, understanding that, okay, when I see these shades of color, there's no need of me going in that direction there, but go to the nearest direction of hotspots that has more lucrative orders than just wasting miles, being the last driver getting there without any orders. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I also had tip 4 and 5. But I'm not going to discuss it in this next episode, but I will discuss it in the next Grubhub episode that I will publish. And it's choosing the right time to Grubhub. Schedule versus non-schedule. We will put that in the next Grubhub episode, and we will see you there. Peace, take care, ladies and gentlemen, and we see you in the next video.
Take it to the streets.